Hamilton, the votes are in and we need to have a little talk. Vacu-Man furnace and duct cleaning just won bronze at CommunityVotes Hamilton 2026 in the duct cleaning category. Bronze, third place. Now look, in the Olympics, nobody remembers the bronze medalist. The gold winner gets the cereal box. The silver winner gets the sympathetic applause. And the bronze winner gets a firm handshake and the quiet dignity of knowing they showed up when it counted. We will absolutely take it. Out of 5,901 nominated businesses across Hamilton, real people in this community voted for us. No judges, no panels. Just Hamilton homeowners who trusted us with their furnaces and their air ducts and came back to say, yes, those are the people I recommend. That means everything to a family business that has been cleaning the air you breathe since 1980. The plaque is on the wall. It is not coming down. If you are ready to book your furnace and duct cleaning with the team Hamilton voted for, call us at 905-333-5454 or visit vacuman.com. Bronze never felt this clean.